Hey, it's John again. We're at conference. We're here with Malarkey at their booth, and I want to talk about the 3 classifications of hail impact or impact resistant shingles.
Thank you. So every shingle that Malarkey now makes has an impact resistant rating from Underwriter Laboratories. So in the case of the Highlander, it's class 2. In the case of Vista, it's class 3. In the case of Legacy, it's a class 4. Class 4 is the best one. That's what a steel roof will get.
Yeah.
It would be a class 4. So to do that test, they take a 2-inch steel ball and they drop it twice in the same spot. Then they flip that over, and I believe there's some magnification involved, but if the mat is fractured, then that fails the test.
Right.
Okay? On the case of class 3, it is 1 3/4 steel ball twice from 17 feet.
That's been around for a while.
That we've been making that since 2016.
Right.
So I apologize, I can't remember what the size of the steel ball is for class 2. That's kind of a newer one for us.
It is brand new.
But we find that there's a newer test that we like to point to as well, and it's the IBHS test, so the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. Okay, because the problem with the old test is when a hail ball hits your roof and the granules fall off, even if the mat is not fractured, when the granules are off the shingle, it has lost its UV resistance, and now that shingle is ticking time bomb.
Yep.
Right? It will fail eventually now. It has lost its resistance to the sun. So the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety does a test instead on how shingles hold up with granule loss, with bending, and with impressions made by objects such as hail. So we find that's a really good test for homeowners to gauge the value of a product. And Malarkey's really proud because right now, as of the last testing, we are the only company with 2 products that are recommended on that list. So there's some good products out there, but we're really proud we have 2 products that made the cut.
Here's the cool part is that the added benefit most people don't realize is it's going to result in insurance savings for a lot of carriers. And I know you can't speak on those, but there is insurance savings on your annual homeowners premiums for having class 3, class 4 products. And I know they're pushing the class 2. But here's a good question to finish with here. Do you think the average homeowner can tell if they're missing enough granules for it to start oxidizing from sun from the ground?
No.
That's why you should set up an inspection. To do that, call us, follow the instructions on the link, and set up your complimentary inspection.